The 2026 AI startup landscape is a storm of noise. Every day, dozens of new models, frameworks, and agent systems hit the market, making it nearly impossible to find a clear point of entry. We are going to navigate that noise using a precise 10-step implementation sequence. Over the next 5 minutes, we will walk the exact path required to build an AI-powered startup from scratch. This skill tree tracks 4 milestones: AI user, power user, builder, and entrepreneur. Most founders fail by bypassing these basics. They chase complex agents prematurely, creating fragile applications that collapse. Your first objective is achieving the AI power user milestone. This phase focuses entirely on mastering base model APIs and advanced prompting before you attempt to build a complex system. To start, you need to prioritize and complete the official learning documentation for the 3 foundational platforms. Bookmark these now. These first 3 steps are the OpenAI Academy, the Anthropic documentation, and the Gemini Docs. Every base model has a unique way of processing logic and instructions. You have to understand these architectural differences before you can reliably use them to power a business. Moving from standard consumer chat interfaces to a deep understanding of API architecture marks your transition into a power user. Next, we move into the builder phase. Here, the goal is to bridge the gap between isolated AI models and your own proprietary business data. Avoid the mistake of trying to train massive custom models from scratch. For a startup, the time and cost involved are rarely worth the effort. Instead, use these 3 tools to orchestrate your data: the Hugging Face course, the LangChain documentation, and the LlamaIndex documentation. This orchestration layer routes your business files directly into a generic large language model, providing specific context. This process is known as Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. It ensures answers are based on your data. Mastering RAG shifts your role from a tool user to an engineer of specialized internal business systems, the hallmark of an AI builder. To turn a specialized tool into a business, you have to scale its output without a massive increase in human headcount. This requires Step 7, the N8N AI Automation Guides. Think of N8N as the nervous system connecting your entire startup architecture. This visualization shows N8N in action. It maps a path from a customer email through an AI processing node and directly into a CRM database. This automation layer allows your RAG systems to continuously process complex workflows in the background without any manual input. Automation provides the leverage that transforms a software tool into a scalable, high-value business asset. Now we reach the final architectural phase. By combining foundational APIs, RAG, and automation, you create autonomous digital workers called AI agents. First, the agent needs a core logic framework to handle multi-step reasoning. You built this using LangGraph. Second, use CrewAI to split tasks between specialized roles, allowing a researcher and writer agent to collaborate. Finally, give these agents the power to act by connecting them to the N8N workflows you established earlier. With this architecture, you move beyond basic chat interfaces to deploy robust, self-managing systems that execute multi-step business objectives invisibly. Because these frameworks evolve rapidly, you need a way to stay current. That is Step 10, Matt Wolf's YouTube channel. Successfully deploying this multi-layered agent architecture signals your arrival at the final milestone on the roadmap, the AI entrepreneur. This is the complete 10-step sequence. It begins with the OpenAI Academy, moves through data orchestration and automation, and finishes with the continuous learning of Matt Wolf. Following this specific order provides the definitive blueprint for building a scalable AI startup in 2026. Resisting the urge to skip ahead to agent building ensures you have the foundational knowledge required to keep your system stable. Overcome analysis paralysis by focusing only on the first step today. Open the OpenAI Academy and start executing Module 1 immediately.